Welcome to all here in the session of mathematics. This is the third episode for the chapter limit. In previous two episodes already we have been discussed two standard formula for the limit. In today's episode we will take trigonometrical function. That is, what are the standard formula for trigonometrical function in limit. Okay, so let us start with the standard formula for trigonometrical function. So first formula, that is limit when theta tends to 0, if sin theta by theta given, then the value is 1. If we will take limit theta tends to a, then theta minus a tends to 0. So here theta should be replaced by theta minus a by theta minus a is equal to 1. Also we will take limit theta tends to 0 tan theta by theta 1, and if theta tends to a, that means limit theta tends to a tan theta minus a by theta minus a is also 1. So these are the four basic formulas for trigonometrical function. Now we will take some example. So example 1, if you have to ask what is limit x tends to 0 sin 3x by x, you have to ask what is the sin 3x by x. So already we have found limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta is equal to 1. एठी जहाँ थिबो एठी तळे सेया थिबो सेटा टेंड्स टू 0. तो एठी sin 3x अछि, एठी कम 3x नाही. That's why you have to maintain 3x. That means this one can be written as limit x tends to 0 sin 3x multiplying 3 at the denominator at the numerator. So nothing will be wrong. 3 multiply कलु 3 divide कलु काई कलु ना एटा मेंटेन करिया sin theta by theta एठी जहाँ थिबो एठी सेया थिबो theta tends to 0 थिले तार वैल्यू केते होबो 1. So this value is equal to 1. So 1 into 3 is nothing but the 3. Okay. So likewise you can evaluate. Now we'll take another example. Suppose example 2. Suppose limit x tends to 0 sin 5x by sin 3x. Suppose you have to ask likewise. So you can evaluate this one by limit x tends to 0. आमर दरकार कौन sin 5x by 5x, because this one in the form of sin theta by theta. So 5x is not there. 5x थिला कि 5x न थिला, so divide कलु multiply कलु, so nothing will be wrong. Likewise sin 3x by 3x into 3x. Okay, then limit x tends to 0 numerator nova, limit x tends to 0 denominator nova. So this one can be written as limit, that's equal to limit x tends to 0 sin 5x by, here x cancel, only we have left with 5 by 3. So sin 5x by 5x whole divided by limit x tends to 0 sin 3x by 3x into 5 by 3, which is a constant simply. So the value of this is nothing but 1, and this one is 1, so answer is 1 into 5 by 3. So the answer is 5 by 3. Suppose you take another example, that is example 3. Okay, suppose you have to ask limit x tends to 0 sin x by into cos 3x by 3x. So what will do? This is nothing but the, you have to maintain limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, this one is equal to 1 into limit x tends to 0 cos x by 3, separating limit. So limit sin x by x tends to 0 is 1. Here cos 0, x tends to 0 cos 0 is 1 into 1 by 3. So your answer is 1 by 3. Suppose we will take another example, that is example 4. Limit x tends to 0 sin 2x square by x square. You see, limit x tends to 0 sin 2x square by x square, that is limit x tends to 0. Here 2x square is there, here 2x square is not there, that means sin 2x square by 2x square into 2, isn't it? Multiplying 2, dividing 2, then this one is equal to 1. Okay, so this one is equal to 1, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Now we'll take another example, that is limit x tends to 0 sin square x by 5x square. So sin square x means what? Limit x tends to 0 sin x whole square, isn't it? By x whole square into 1 by 5. So sin x by x whole square, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x whole square into 1 by 5. This one is 1, sin x by x, limit x tends to 0, that is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 into 1 by 5, that is answer is 1 by 5. So likewise you can evaluate trigonometrical function. Now I will take some different types of problem. These are the level 0 problem. Now I will take level 1 problem. Okay, so make it a note first. Now I will take some level 1 problems from the limits, that is from the book R.D. Sharma. Okay, so suppose first example given, limit x tends to 0 tan 2x minus sin 2x by x cube. So this one can be written limit x tends to 0 tan 2x means what? Sin 2x by cos 2x minus sin 2x whole divided by x cube as it is, that is limit x tends to 0 sin 2x taking as common, then we have left with 1 by cos 2x, 1 by cos 2x minus 1 by x cube, then taking LCM here, limit x tends to 0, that is sin 2x by x. From here एटी गोटे x एटी नहीं आसो कारण sin 2x by 2x हो गले एटा 1 हो। अच्छा एटी रखो x स्क्वायर रहा एटी 1 माइनस cos 2x, एलसीएम नहीं जा 1 माइनस cos 2x by cos 2x, एटी गोटे x स्क्वायर रहा कहीं x स्क्वायर इंटू x क्यूब, एटी एलसीएम नहीं लो cos 2x 1 माइनस cos 2x by cos 2x. ओके sin 2x by x रखिल, एटी गोटे 2 मल्टीप्लाई करिवा 2 मल्टीप्लाई करिया 2 डिवाइड करले एटा 1 हो। So this is nothing but the 2 limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x 1 minus cos 2x replaced by 2 sin square x by x square रखो एटी into 1 by cos 2x, सब separate कर दिया limit. So here 2 into 2 how much? 4 sin 2x, this one is 1, limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x 1, here limit x tends to 0 sin square x by x square can be written as sin x by x whole square, isn't it, into limit x tends to 0 1 by cos 2x. So this is nothing but the 4 into 1 square is 1 into cos 2x, cos 0 is 1 by 1, that is your answer is 4. Okay, now I'll take the next example. Would you follow or not? खाली 1 minus cos 2x replaced by 2 sin square x, then 2 sin square x अच्छी माने एटी गोटे x square आसीबो sin x by x रो होल स्क्वायर हो जिवो, डिग्री जहाँ थिबो एटी x रो डिग्री अलजेब्रिक फंक्शन रो डिग्री सेम रखिले तापर तुमे कर परिबो. सो सेकंड एग्जांपल ले देखो, these are all level 1 problem. limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus sin 3x by 2x plus sin 3x. So dividing all numerator and denominator by x, sin 2x by x plus sin 3x by x divided by 2x by x plus sin 3x by x. This is nothing but the limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by आमर केते रहया दरकार sin 2x by 2x ताले 1 हो, sin 2x by 2x into 2 कर दो, 2 into sin 2x by 2x, this one is equal to 1. Likewise sin 3x by 3x into 3 divided by 2x by x, x cancel 2 constant, sin 3x by 3x into 3. So limit x tends to 0 sin 2x by 2x is 1 into 2 plus Sin 3x by 3x limit x tends to 0 is 1. 1 into 3 divided by 2 plus sin 3x by 3x is 1. 1 into 3 3. That is 3 plus 2 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, would you follow? Very simple one. Okay, likewise you will do. Now suppose example 8. You see, that is given sin 2x sin c plus sin d. Formula सब मन अच्छी ना नहीं. Sin c plus sin d is how much? Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. Okay, limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus sin 6x by sin 5x minus sin 3x. So first we will replace sin c plus sin d. Limit x tends to 0 to sin 2x plus 6x by 2 into cos 2x minus 6x by 2 whole divided by c plus d 5x plus 3x by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x by 2. That is nothing but the limit x tends to 0. 2 cancel. The sin 8x by 2, that is sin 4x into 2x minus 6x minus 4x by 2 cos minus 2x, that is cos 2x. Would you follow? Not cos 2x minus 6x by 2 कहते हो cos minus 4x by 2, that is cos minus 2x. Cos minus theta again cos theta. So cos 2x divided by cos 5x plus 3x 8x by 2 cos 4x into sin 5x minus 3x 2x by 2 sin x. The cos 2x x tends to 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 4x is also 1. Now we have left with limit x tends to 0 sin 4x by 4x into 4x into limit x tends to 0 1 by sin x by x, isn't it? Multiplying x dividing x. So we'll get here 4x by x, that is xx cancel. Sin 4x by 4x 1 into বুঝিপাইলে না এটা এটা 1 by sin x is there, 1 by sin x. এটা ডিভাইড করলে x, মাল্টিপ্লাই করলে x. এটা 4x by x xx cancel. So this one is 1, this one is 1. So we have left with only 4. That is your answer. That is your 4. Okay. So make it a note. Now we'll go to the level 2 problem. Okay. Now we'll take one of the level 2 problem that is given. You have to find limit x tends to 0 cosec x minus cot x. Okay. So this can be written as limit x tends to 0 cosec x can be written as 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. Okay, that is taking LCM. Limit x tends to 0, taking LCM sin x, then 1 minus cos x. All of you know that is the formula cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x. That means cos 2x is equal to how much? 1 minus 2 sin square x. So 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So if 1 minus cos x is there, that means in place of 2x x is there. So this one can be written as 2 sin square x should be replaced by x by 2. যেতবে 2x জায়গায় x লেখা যাব, x জায়গায় x by 2. So 2 sin square x by 2 is 1 minus cos x. So this is the formula for 1 minus cos x. Keep it in your memory. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2. Using this, here limit x tends to 0 2 sin square x by 2 by sin x. Okay, would you follow or not? Now we have to 2 is the constant outside the limit. 2 limit x tends to 0 sin square x by 2, that means sin x by 2 whole square, isn't it, divided by sin x. Okay, now we have to divide here x by 2, here x, because sin x by 2 by x by 2 is 1 and sin x by x is 1. So this can be written as 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x by 2 x by 2 by x by 2 into x by 2 total whole square divided by sin x by x into x by 2 divide kalo x by 2 multiply kalo x divide kalo x multiply kalo hala tale nothing will be wrong. So this one can be written as 2. So 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x by 2 by x by 2, that is 1 into x by 2 whole square, that is x square by 4 by sin x by x is 1, x limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is 1 and this is x. So 1 x cancel 1 by 4, that is 2 by 4 into limit x tends to 0, only we have left with only x. So 2 by 4 is 1 by 2 into limit x tends to 0 x, that is nothing but the 0. So your answer is 0. एत्ते परिश्रम कल 0 पाइल. Okay, so this is the somehow level 2 problem. So likewise you can do any type of problem. So these are very simple one. Now we'll try to do yourself, that is R.D. Sharma book exercise 29.7. Okay, so that's all for the today's session. In the next session we'll take another standard formula for the limit. So until then, goodbye. Thank you.